My OnPassive family, founders in OnPassive. We are about to enter uncharted territory. OnPassive is guiding us to a place that we have never been. It is a place that has never been thought about or reached. That place is called Complete Bliss. Bliss is a state of complete happiness and joy. That is where OnPassive is taking all of its founders. We are soon to arrive at our destination. When we get to that state, we will be in position to pass what we have to others, giving them the happiness and joy that we feel. There is no greater feeling than to show our love to others, the way we were shown love by Mr. Mufareh when he shared this beautiful company called OnPassive. Mr. Mufareh is the ultimate expression of love any human could give to another human. OnPassive will transform the lives of so many people tossed on the trash heap by others who simply don't care. OnPassive has created fires in the hearts of over 448,000 founders with the express purpose of just helping those who need help. When OnPassive is open to the world, all will know just how great of a company OnPassive is. We founders already know that.